Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to link table to calendar Notion tutorial. So let's get started. Sign into your Notion account via the web portal using your Google, Apple, or email account. Alternatively, open the Notion desktop application. To demonstrate, I'll create a new database. Click on New Database. Name your database such as dates. Add a properly named dates to show in your calendar. Populate the records with names and dates. To create a calendar view, create a new view and select the calendar view. To link database and calendar, choose the Links and Relations option. Link the calendar to an existing table by selecting it from the list. You can also link a new calendar view to your database. If you have relations established, you can add links to other databases. For example, you can add links to a database with a calendar view. Now, you've linked your calendar with your tables or databases in Notion. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.